Hi everyone, this is Dipakshi Chaudhary and today I am going to explain the producer consumer problem using semaphores. So let's see what are the topics to be discussed here. First is producer consumer problem, second is a real life example, third semaphore, fourth solution, fifth producer consumer problem using semaphores. What is the producer consumer problem? It is a standard problem of multiprocess synchronization, also known as the bounded buffer problem. In this, two processes share a common buffer, and the producer produces an item and places it in a buffer, and consumer consumes that item and finally bring out from the buffer. The conditions which must be met by the producer and the consumer process are: producer not necessary to produce an item if the shared buffer is full. Consumer process must not consume an item if the shared buffer is empty. And shared buffer must be exclusive. Means producer प्रोड्यूस तब आइटम नहीं करेगा जब बफर फुल हो जाएगा और कंज्यूमर तब कंज्यूम नहीं करेगा जब बफर एम्प्टी रहेगा. Let's see the example. Here is a factory and there are many items to be delivered. Second is the lorry is empty and the lorry is available, and let's send the items in this lorry. Picture 3 is items are packaged and loaded into the truck, means working for load is done. Picture 4 is loading. Picture 5, truck is full and no more items can be loaded. So truck starts the engine and it is ready to go. Picture 6, there are still many items to be delivered but the truck is full and it must wait for the next trip. Picture 7, the truck is full and unloaded. Picture 8, unloading is done. Picture 9, the truck is empty and no more items to be delivered, and it will go again to factory. And picture 10, waiting, the worker will wait for next trip. So do you understand this analogy of producer consumer? The analogy behind this is the producer needs to wait if the buffer is full and the consumer needs to wait if the buffer is empty. Let's see what is the semaphore, because we will be solving this problem using semaphores only. A semaphore is a variable that provides an abstraction for controlling the access of a shared resource by multiple processes in a parallel programming environment. It is of two types, binary semaphore and counting semaphore. Binary semaphores have two values 0 and 1, while counting have possible values more than 2. Binary has two methods associated with it, up, down, lock, unlock, and it is used to implement the solution of critical section problem with multiple processes. And counting semaphores are used to control access to a resource that has multiple instances. Let's see the solution for producer. When producer produces an item, the value of empty is reduced by 1, and the value of mutex is also reduced to access the buffer. And the producer has placed the item and thus the value of full is increased by 1, and the value of mutex is also increased by 1 as the task of producer has been completed and consumer can access the buffer. इसमें ऐसा रहेगा कि प्रोड्यूसर एक आइटम प्रोड्यूस करेगा तो एम्प्टी जो रहेगा वो उसकी वैल्यू एक रिड्यूस हो जाएगी. फिर जो वैल्यू रहेगी म्यूटेक्स की वो भी रिड्यूस होगी ताकि हम एक्सेस कर सकें बफर को. फिर प्रोड्यूसर उसमें आइटम प्लेस करेगा तो वैल्यू जो फुल की रहेगी वो इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगी और जो म्यूटेक्स की वैल्यू है वो भी इंक्रीज़ होगी क्योंकि प्रोड्यूसर का टास्क कंप्लीट हो चुका है एंड कंज्यूमर कैन एक्सेस द बफर. The solution for consumer is the consumer is removing an item from buffer, so the value of full is reduced by 1, and the value of mutex is also reduced so that producer cannot access the buffer at this moment. Now the item is consumed by consumer, increased value of empty by 1, value of mutex also increased, and producer can access the buffer now. अब कंज्यूमर ने आइटम रिमूव किया बफर से तो वापस से फुल की जो वैल्यू है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगी 1 से. म्यूटेक्स की भी वैल्यू रिड्यूस होगी क्योंकि कंज्यूमर ने बफर में से आइटम रिमूव कर लिया है, और एम्प्टी की वैल्यू वापस से इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगी एंड फिर वैल्यू ऑफ म्यूटेक्स ऑल्सो इंक्रीज, एंड देन प्रोड्यूसर कैन एक्सेस द बफर नाउ आफ्टर द कंज्यूमर. Let's see the code of producer consumer problem using semaphores. We have defined the n is equal to 4. It means the number of slots in the buffer. Type def int semaphore, which is a special kind of int. Semaphore mutex equal to 1, which is a variable, and mutex will control the access to critical region. Semaphore empty is equal to n means it will count the empty buffer slots. Semaphore full equal to 0 means it will count the full buffer slots. Then we will write the code. We will apply the while loop in which we have produced the item, एंड डाउन एम्प्टी मीन्स वी विल हमने मतलब आइटम प्रोड्यूस कर दिया है तो अब हम एम्प्टी की वैल्यू डिक्रीज़ करेंगे. देन वी विल एंटर इनटू द क्रिटिकल रीजन and we will also reduce the value of mutex. We will insert the item and we will leave the critical region and we will increase the value of mutex, and also we will increase the value of full. Now for a consumer, we will write the code. We will again apply the while loop, and we will decrement the full count, and we will enter into the critical region, and we will remove the item from the buffer, and then we will leave critical region and we will increase the value of empty, and now the consumer has consumed the item. So this was all about the producer consumer problem using semaphores. Hope you have understood this. Thank you.